Pékélé arúgbó jẹ gbèsè ta ni ó san Odumawe owe debt abeg who go pay. Wahala be like bicycle, big challenge don come outside for Bobrisky. Na Michelle na him come outside another cross-dresser like Bobrisky. Una know say Bobrisky na man, he come dey dress like a woman. Yes, so this person too na another cross-dresser, Nigerian cross-dresser wey come outside now come dey contest with Bobrisky. He say make Bobrisky come outside, make him know wear any makeup, make dem come see who fine pass. Na the time wey Bobrisky wan wear makeup, people come know say na him be mama. I no know say him fine pass and na him dey talk abi.
If people insult you, fight you, just leave them. When you have money,
my people, na wetin we see be that too. This matter of Bobrisky thing wey dem just dey do like this, as one dey come from here, another one dey come from here. If they come from the other side, na the other day na him BB Naija star, wetin dem call her, Katrina, na come outside say why Bobrisky go dey encourage people make dem dey put tattoo for their body. Say as dem dey do like that, the thing no good. As e be say people go come begin to dey demand money. Say I say I do tattoo your face for my tattoo your face for my body, and you go got to give me something. And Bobrisky don prove am by two people now wey Bobrisky you don't invite, you don't give them money. Yes, you raw cash. This one don't be say this one don't be audio money. Even we get another person will come outside too. Just this morning where they cry for videos say Bobrisky no even recognize her. Bobrisky Papa don't disown for say
she's going to Dubai
for body.
Dubai with me.
Bobrisky no recognize her. Papa don't disown her for her. Say which kind
follow her.
I know her. Bobrisky as usual. Come and meet
for him page. My other baby that drop Bobrisky.
They cannot tag me with where the lady did.
They're all with me.
I don't say before the end of the day.
Love, thank you guys for showing us love. Thank you very much.
What happen? We go drag and so then go come be 3 now. Apart from the one way they outside Nigeria. So we'll become be this one now where carry matter come. Michelle, now that lady wey say that time wey Bobrisky and James Brown dey fight, when he come outside come dey try calm them down, say make una no fight now. Una know say you be cross-dresser, this guy too na cross-dresser, why una dey fight? If dem see say for cross-dressing kingdom we dey fight ourselves, e go be like say we dey follow in line with these people wey no like us, and dem no go dey like us the more. So make we try stop to the fight. At that time na him come outside. If una remember say na last month na him that one happen wey Bobrisky and James Brown dey fight, wey Bobrisky say him go jail James Brown, abi James Brown dey fear say Bobrisky go jail am on top of say him say Bobrisky do birthday, he no come celebrate Bobrisky, and he say he put Bobrisky for a page. So on top of that matter, now it caused the fight between Bobrisky and James Brown that time. And now this Michelle where they come dey talk now, this cross-dresser now he tries to settle there that time where come outside for him page. They tell them say, make una no fight, una no say fight no good. Fight is no good for omo ya, that is people wey come from the same lineage, say then cross-dressing word then. Anyway, concerning this tattoo wey dem dey do, me I don talk am say until the day wey Bobrisky go carry signboard put for outside say bro or sis no tattoo. If you tattoo, you are on your own. Go tattoo your boyfriend or your girlfriend for your body, no tattoo me again, because this time around there's nobody wey tattoo Bobrisky for a body wey Bobrisky no go give money and Bobrisky dey start with 1 million. After that 1 million na Dubai some people now 1 million na big money for their eye, and to even go Dubai na another big something for their eye. So you go come say make dem put tattoo. How much dem go put the tattoo? Dem go put tattoo for body, then drop Bobrisky for body, they will come say they go give them 1 million. Now wow, waiting man no go see finish. So this fight now, we go separate this fight for them now. Bobrisky and Michelle, and I then did this challenge. They don't challenge Bobrisky, and I know say before evening reach, they go don't tag Bobrisky. Say Bobrisky come oh, come meet this person. And one thing where they did be say, I don't know. Make I let on and make I enjoy the video first before I continue to the talk about waiting some of Bobrisky fans they talk. Yes, we can watch the video first.
Tí wọ́n bá bí Bobrisky rè tó bá mọ̀ pé without editing, without filter, beautiful, Bobrisky should come out without makeup. As in, without makeup. Then, me, I will not tell her that. Bobrisky, me, Michelle Page, I'm your mother. Thank you.
Yeah, so and I don't watch the video and I don't see the most way the guy they use the talk, they challenge Bobrisky. And so when we see the comments and people don't they react, so a lot of people they react to. In fact, some of this is funny, like seriously. One say, is this a transgender? You should have made this video without makeup or filter too. That's true. If you too, you be transgender, why you carry makeup for your body? They ask somebody say make you no wear makeup if you want come for competition. At least you go start the competition before we know say yes, you self you feel win. Abi, I talk am before. I say when person say if person no put makeup, him go be like monkey. Na that time go come know him mama, and na she be the mama. Abi na him be the mama of Bobrisky. That means say war born war. Abi na so it go be now. So there's no need to they tell us say make you no wear makeup. Wetin they try talk with that now? He say I wear makeup now. So Bobrisky you self no wear makeup. Then you go come see say na me be your grandmother. Abi the thing no be small thing. Another person say aunty go rest, we don't see you. Abi people see they ask whether this person a man or been a waiting na man wey dey dress like woman. That's why they call them cross dresser. Abi and I don't see the time when them be ask Bobrisky say Bobrisky, you a transgender? As in you don't come out that your bola, you don't put toto there. Bobrisky say no, my bola as it dey intact oh, as it dey come no me some ladies like that. Now they say you mean say you get girlfriend? This interview na Daily Momodu. I know every time they always they refer to this interview because na live Instagram interview. Bobrisky say yes now. I get baby and I dey knock well. They say what if your girlfriend come get belle come? Bobrisky say if he get belle say he go don do agreement to say he no go comot the belle say he go born am, but the agreement go be say make him no ever come outside come show for people say Bobrisky give am belle because of say if you do like that him go spoil business for am because the business wey him dey na cross dressing. Just carry this thing cloth or foam put for chest, you don't get breast be that. Carry this thing put for bum or carry use medicine, your bum don't come outside, you don't get bum be that. Now so Bobrisky they do the remaining put makeup, and at this same makeup now this guy say me Bobrisky come out, we can't see who find pass. Anyway, I know say when Bobrisky just give us the reply now, we go report him as it be, and also make sure say on understand the whole thing as on supposed to understand. Me at the move.
Please subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Share this video. Subscribe to this channel. Tell your friends to subscribe to this channel.